Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're ready to add payment quickly. First, make sure your iPhone model and iOS are compatible and that you're signed into your Apple ID. Open Wallet and tap the plus icon. Choose credit/debit, transit, or store card, and use the camera to scan the card or enter details manually. Once scanned, follow on-screen prompts to set billing address and card nickname, then complete verification through your bank's code or app. This establishes secure tokenization, so your real card number never leaves the device. Once your payment method is in Wallet, add tickets and transit passes by opening the ticket email or app, tapping Add to Apple Wallet, or scanning a QR/PK pass file. Make sure to enable Express Transit for supported cards so you can tap without Face ID or Touch ID. Go to Settings, Wallet, and Apple Pay to set your default card. When you have multiple cards, press and hold to drag the preferred card to the front and swipe between passes at the reader so the correct pass appears automatically. To pay in stores, double-click the side button or use Face ID/Touch ID, hold the top of the iPhone near the reader, and wait for Done and a check mark. You can edit card details, remove a card, or view transaction history in Wallet settings. Make sure billing info matches your bank records to avoid declines. If a pass or payment fails, restart the phone, confirm network or NFC is enabled, and if needed, remove and re-add the card, or contact your issuer for verification. That usually resolves persistent.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.